Hey guys, what's up? This is Hussein Tabi and I'm from HT Design. In today's 3ds Max tutorial, we are going to learn how we can create this kind of parametric bench. Actually, a few days back, one of my friends asked me this question that he has received this section and elevation from an engineer to create this. Okay, so he was like a little confused, so I helped him and I created this. So then I thought of making a tutorial so that people, I can tell you that how I made this and all, because there are 2-3 different functions which I used for this one. So I would be happy to share this knowledge with you. So without wasting time, let's move on to the 3ds Max and let's get started. So here is my 3ds Max and let's import the AutoCAD plan, the sections which I received from my friend, and it's in here on the desktop, the parametric bench and the new block, and I just import it. Oh, sorry, nothing much here, just rescale this one centimeters. This one I'll make a bit more and then okay. So here I'm having this section and this elevation. This is attached. I think it's a group. No, it's not a group, so this is attached. First of all, what I'll do is I'll go here, I select this line and I'll detach it. So here down somewhere, yeah, detach. So now these both are separated. Select both, go to the hierarchy and go to the pivot and make the pivots center. Now what I want, this is actually lying on the floor. Okay, so what I want, I just use my grid and snap settings and I'll make 90-degree angle and I'll rotate this in 90-degree here, and this one I'll rotate in this way. Okay, I'll go to the left view. Okay, the first thing I would like to tell you is when you import the models, it will not be in the origin, it will not be in the origin. So from the top view, what I'll do first, I'll make it here. I select both of these, I'll make a group and I'll just make it a center of the grid. So when you press C and when you see here on the grid, it is exactly in the center. Okay, this is must, you should do this when you start your project. If it is somewhere else and on the grid, it's difficult to manage the project. So I'll just go here, I'll ungroup, I'll come again here, I'll go to the left. See, I can see everything fast here, and I will just adjust this. This is fine for me. Go to the front and see if it's perfectly aligned. It should not perfectly, but yeah, somewhat on its place. Okay, let me hide the grid, it's a bit distracting. Now I'll select this one, this section, and extrude according to this elevation. So I'll go here, I'll go to the extrude. Okay, but I'll go to the front and see, so that I can see it should not exit this one. Okay. Oops. Actually, I really enjoyed making this one, so I decided to make a tutorial because there's one tricky part. Okay. Now this is okay, not a problem. But the problem is when you go to the front and you see this, you see the elevation is something like this. And your model is straight, which is not acceptable by the engineers. So what I did, I just did two things. First thing, apply edit poly modifier and add good amount of segments here. So I'll go to the connect. Hey buddy, please keep quiet. Actually, I have 2 birds at home. They are looking at me right now when I'm making this tutorial. So please don't feel annoying. They are my favorite. Okay, I think a little more. Yeah, I'm pressing the enter, buddy. Okay, this is fine. Okay, this is needed. Why? I'll tell you for sure. Okay, why I needed this much segments here? The reason is I'm going to use FFT modifier to give this look to this model, this curvy look. Now what I'll do, convert this to editable poly. So the stacking order will be only 1 and it will not hang. Okay, always remember, if you have more stakes here, then it will hang a lot. So make it one model, no problem. Now when you go to the FFT, come here and there's 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, but when you come here down, there's one more. It's interesting. Here you can actually set the numbers what you want. Okay, so let's make it, I tried 2-3 numbers like 10 by 10, then 15 by 15, 20 by 20. I find this one good, so I'm sharing directly this one to you. Okay, it's enough numbers here. Go to the control point and now adjust this important part according to your curves. So I'll start from here like this. In the front view, you'll see the difference soon when I'm finished this. So this will take a bit of time, so I'll fast forward this. Okay, you just have a look like this. I'll change everything. Okay, so guys, this is you can see the shape is there. This part is not good, so I'll just take this line here to make it like this. This one sorry, this one here, put it here, drag this one here a little bit. When you see the perspective now, and when you come here, see something like this. Okay, so let's now adjust this one properly. Here you can see this should not be like this, so I'll just adjust this. Here's the problem, I guess. I'll make it like this. Okay. This is actually here. I missed this part. Yeah. Okay. Here also I think I made a mistake. Yeah. Here it is. Here, this one a little bit here. Bit better. This one here. Now what I'll do, I'll go to the control point, go to the top, and you see these things, I'll make this straight. Here the same thing I'll do. So when you come here, you won't see these things. Okay, now this part is done. Now this is just a model. Okay, doesn't matter it comes perfectly or not, because what I'm going to show you now is the main part, because now I want to slice this. Okay, how you slice? Let me show you something. Let's say I have this box here. Okay, and let's apply good segments here. Let's look at this model like in wireframe so you'll understand what I'm doing. I'm adding a segment so that I can give detailing to it. And then I'll go here, I'll apply noise here, bit of a scale, fractal on, and I'm giving something like this. Okay, convert this to readable. Now I want to make something of this shape. Let me just select this and center. Okay, alright, what you can do is I'll hide this one for now. Take this one and make it center. Okay, now see, I'll go to the front. This is my model. Okay, I'll go to the front and I'll add section. I don't know most of the people knows this or not who are watching this tutorial right now, but this is very interesting. This acts like a slice. Okay, like a slice modified in 3ds Max, but this is much more interesting than that. If I select this and if I make this here, I'll cross this, then I'll go to the top and I'll arrange this like one is here, and then I'll arrange here, let's say around 5. I'll go to the edit, tools, array, and here make it NY, here make it 20 cm. How many you want you can count in here. Okay, it's 2 cm maybe, yeah, because this is very small. Okay, now you can see here maybe 1 cm I'll make. Yeah, this is fine. Okay, let me hide this also so I can easily go to zoom in. Okay, now when I make this, you can see this, something is happening here. Okay, what is this? If I select this, if I go here and when I click, what it will do, delete this, but you have a shape here now. See, interesting. What I'll do, I select all and create shape. And it's creating shape where it is intersection on this model. Wherever it intersect on the particular model, you'll find shape there. I delete this also now because I have something like this. See, I'll select this one, I'll go to the attach multiple, and I'll attach all these shapes here. And then what I'll do, I'll just go and extrude it. See, it should be inside, so -1, -0.5 something, -0.8, and you see we have something like this. Okay, so this technique we are going to use on this model. Right click, convert to editable poly. Okay, just go to the left, select a section, go to the top, and then use array to make more copies. This time I want an X. Okay, and I want maximum 5 cm, and then just use the counts. It's increasing. Alright, let's make it like around 7 for now. This is fine. Actually, I don't want to make more because it takes more time to make it. So right now I'm just using the 7 cm, but 5 cm is fine. The model which I uploaded on Instagram, it has 5 cm. Okay. Now I select everyone one by one, and I'm gonna create shape out of it. Okay, so I'm going to make it a fast forward. You can just see I'm selecting, creating shape, press OK. Okay, so I'll back to the slow motion once this is finished. Okay, so here the sections are already used. I'm building the section, I'm building the model, and you have here the splines. I'll delete this one also. So here we have splines. Here select this one, attach all, okay, and extrude it. Make sure you have a little good machine and try to make this lesser. I mean the gap should be more, okay, and the section should be little less, otherwise it will be a big problem. It will hang, you know. I have 7 cm, so I'll make like around 6 cm, so 1 cm gap should be there. It's hanged here. Yeah, so now you see here parametric bench is ready. After lighting, texturing, everything, you'll have this one, right? So let me do quick setting here, and then we'll do a basic small render to see how it's going on. First I'll make a lighting here. So let's go to the VD planes. First I have to make a renderer VD, and then we can go ahead. Alright, I'll go here, sorry, yeah, I'll make, I have already set preset render here my own for my renderings, and I'll make this very small just to show you, because the long render will take a long time. So I'll make it around 300 or something. This much is good, rest all is fine. I'll take a video material. Okay, I'll make a bit darker, bit of a reflection here. I'll apply this one to this plane. Okay, then I'll take a light. I'll take dome. Value 30 is fine for me. I'll create a camera here. So I'll type a script here. V-Ray create V-Ray physical camera parentheses, and you have a camera. Okay, because after 2016 they have removed this V-Ray physical camera from Macs. If you go here, you'll see there is no physical camera here. They've removed. See, they have added any standard here, a physical camera. But still, if you want that V-Ray physical camera back, you can type the script here, or you can see on my channel how to get V-Ray camera in 2016 version tutorial. It will be more beneficial for you. I have already set the script there, so you can download the camera and you can use it. So I'm setting up my camera right now. Press Shift F to set the frame here. Make a little bit of a rotation. This angle is fine for me. That's nice. But there's one mistake. See the grid here? That means this model should come actually. It's going down the floor, you know. Come on the floor here. Yeah, that's fine. So the camera will come down. Yeah, that's okay. So for now, when you press render, you'll see this. Okay, so I can put one texture here on this one. I have already downloaded one. Okay. I'll go to my Parametric folder and I'll take this texture. I'll apply VW mapping to make it fit. I want to rotate this. Oops, sorry. Yeah. And you are done. I'll give a little bit of a wood property to this texture because this is, you can see it's looking flat because this is just a texture I downloaded. This is not texturing tutorial, so I'll not tell you in detail what I'm doing here. I'll just adjust a few things. Okay. Quick setting just to show you how it will look, nothing else. Come on, yeah, it's looking nice, better. And now let's render and see how it looks. And this is your render. Okay, there is something. I want to make the vignette off. Okay, because giving dark result. Let's render now. Yeah, now it's better. And you see the parametric render, the parametric bench is ready now. So this is how you can make the model. The model should not be perfect, you know, it can be anything when you see your main model, because when you will cut it, it will come exactly what you want. You can see there is no problem here now, but in the model there was a problem. That's okay, because in any way we are going to cut it. Okay, so this is it guys. Use these techniques to create different kind of section elevation of a parametric bench and create your own parametric designs. So this is it guys. Thank you and have a nice day. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to like and comment. Thank you.